Hey my friends, this is Daniel Alley, and today I want to talk with you about 5 thoughts that all rich people have. So please listen up. The first thought that all rich people have is a deep belief that money comes to them easily. I want you to affirm with me that money comes to me easily. If you say this every day, you will eventually feel that there's more opportunities to be gained if you train your mind to see them. But if you don't believe that money comes to you easily, then you'll never be able to receive them. Whenever someone says I am low on funds, I always like to think I am high on funds. Money comes to me easily. I attract wealth every single day in every single way. Do you see the difference this can make? If you train your mind to see the invisible, you will be able to do the impossible. The second thought that all rich people have is that there are so many ways to make money. Now, they're not limited only to one stream of income. They're not limited to only one job. When you become wealthier, you know that your money has to come from different income streams. You cannot just depend on one stream to carry you for the rest of your life. No, that would never work. You have to be willing to use the money that you have in order to make the kind of money that you want. So whenever people say there's not enough to go around, I always think to myself, there's so much more to be shared. There's so much value and contribution I can add to society. If I can only use my talents, my skills, my ability, then I will be able to help the rest of humanity. As you can see, this mindset will move you closer to those opportunities. It will set you up for monumental success. It will show you the vision that you need to accomplish and give you the wisdom that you need in order to succeed. So whenever people say there's not enough opportunity or there's not enough money, what I want you to say is there's so much opportunity. There's so much wealth out there. I know I can contribute to the world. I just need to learn what to do and figure out how to do it. The third thought that all rich people have is that a lot of people need their help. There's an affirmation that I make all the time. People need my help. I say this every single day because I know people are depending on me to be their leader. But before I was their leader, I knew people needed leadership. I knew that there was so many people who needed someone to call them to action. And I knew that I was the person that was going to do it. But I had to see that vision in order to manifest it. Now I knew that there was a lot of unsolved problems in society. I understood that there were so many flaws that can easily be corrected. I saw that there was so many people giving a half-hearted effort, and I knew deep down that I can do much better. In fact, I want you to write down these 5 words. People always need my help. Because that is the thought, the mindset that you need in order to become the person that you need to be. You see, when you have a servant mentality, you will be able to alter your reality. So how can you add more value to more people in the shortest amount of time? Because the more people you serve, the more money you deserve. The fourth thought that all rich people have about money is that the more they give, the more they get. In other words, the more seeds they plant, the more trees they grow. The more you give back to society, the more society will give back to you. Now, obviously, there's a lot of people who will show ingratitude. There's a lot of people who are not going to appreciate the things that you do. But there's a lot of people who also will. Look, this is how it works. If you serve 10 people that cared nothing about how you helped them, eventually the universe will notify 10 people who will. Now, even though you did not serve the people who will be serving you, you will be able to receive from them because of all that you've contributed. But you have to be sure not to give to the wrong people. If you continually give your money to friends and family and strangers that will do nothing with it, then you cannot expect anything in return. If you continue to give everything you have to people who are undeserving, people that will never be able to appreciate what you're giving them, then you cannot receive the blessings that are to come. Because that's the only way you can ever stop the law of giving and receiving. If you continue to give pearls to pigs, then they're going to trample over what you've given them. But if you give your pearls, your diamonds, your gold to people who appreciate it, then they're going to make you look good. They're going to make sure that they bless you so that the blessor, God, will rain down on you the blessings that you deserve in your life. Yes, good deeds and good seeds will always plant good trees. But if you plant your seeds and your deeds in a place that doesn't appreciate or cannot grow, then you will never get the blessing in return. Of course, you have to give to people who cannot give back to you, but at least give it to people who appreciate the work that you're doing for them. All I'm saying is this: the more people you help, the more money you earn. If you want to make a bigger income, then you need to leave a bigger impact on earth. Remember, impact equals income. The more people you impact, the more income you'll earn. And the fifth and final thought that all rich people have about money is that they will always be wealthy. They will always be able to produce wealth. They will always be able to create a larger income than they currently have right now. You know, one of the worst things you can ever say about money is that it comes and goes. I always hear people saying, oh, my money just comes and goes. No, instead of saying your money's always going, you need to say my money's always growing. It's always flowing. It's always coming into my direction. It's making me richer every single day. Don't talk yourself out of wealth. Talk yourself into wealth. Don't say you keep running out of money. No, my friends. Say you keep running into money. Don't say, I don't know where to invest. I don't know where to start. Instead, I want you to say, I'm learning how to invest. I'm learning where to start. My money works for me. I will never work for money again. Can you imagine the difference this will make if you change your way of speaking? Look, my friends, if you want to change your reality, it starts with your mentality. But within your mentality, it starts with your words. Your words express what you're going to do, and what you do creates your eventual results. If you want to be wealthy, start within your mind, start within your soul, and start with a bigger goal. Because when you search for the truth, the wisdom will flood. And when the mind is ready, the money will come. So there you go, my friends. I just shared with you 5 thoughts that all rich people have about money. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, share this video with someone who really needs it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Again, this is Daniel Alley. If you have any questions, please write me an email at info@danielalley.com. Comment yes in the section below if you really learned a lot in this video, and please take the lessons that I shared with you very seriously. My friends, this is Daniel Alley. I look forward to your growth, I look forward to your wealth, and I look forward to watching you become the best version of yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.